We're here at Houcher by China Mama. Houcher. Right.
You're not playing around.
YouTube. Sa YouTube ko to, love. Nandito kami sa China. Haochi.
China Mama.
House by China Mama in Charleston. So we're gonna try this. Laki, Mo naman yan, B. Patayin ka talaga yan, B. Gutom yan. Love, gutom ka. Namiss mo. Alam niyo ba, pagka gusto mo ng authentic na Chinese food, lahat ng China Mama, authentic. Lahat ng China Mama restaurant. So, first time namin i-try yung dito. So, sabi ko, laki di ba? Okay. Gutom na yung dalawa. Diyos ko, di na makausap.
No.
Man.
Let's make pa.
Let's make pa. Pa. Meron tayong ano. Lambot. Sopa.
Yun lang ang hirap. Ayun lang. Struggle is real. Struggle is real.
Di na ito makausap ng Chinese na to.
Yes.
Chinese.
Get a little bit of meats.
A little bit of
A
meat.
little bit of meats. A little bit of soup.
Soup. Soup drink.
A little bit of bean sprouts.
Chef Brian.
Then that's it, I think. The number one chef.
Yeah. Step by step.
I don't even know what I'm doing. This one, the sauce, the black sauce, and the red sauce. Mangang ba to?
Mga
Siya yan. Tapos sabon. Ay, may sabon. Chocolate na lang.
pingin.
Parang yung ano.
Okay. Fa. Okay na to? Oh my God, putok pa to. Picture mga kabing. I'm gonna try the pho. Good. Okay. See you guys in heaven.
Punta heaven.
Look at the fat. Okay. In fairness, even though it's the soup is so big, it doesn't compromise the taste. It's still good.
Kabila.
Okay, guys. Sarap talaga. Nagustuhan ko to. Paano? Wala akong nalaranasan na cinnamon.
Cinnamon?
Oo, kasi yung pa may cinnamon minsan, di ba? May sprinkle ng cinnamon.
Ay, parang meron.
Ano ba yan? Yan. Kung gusto mo na makita si Lord ng maaga. Puta. Talagang kukunin ka talaga ni Lord ng maaga dito. Tonight na agad. Ngayon, Grabe yung litid.
Kita ka sa video.
Pakita ko ng closer. Kala nyo nagjo-joke ako ah. Oh.
Wala kaya.
See you in heaven. Ang laki. Wala na bang iba? Grabe.
Una ka ba Boca Park? Ibaba ka muna namin.
Ano?
Naayusin ka mo. Ay, ayun mga katikli.
Talaga, oh. See you in heaven. Hindi ko po kinain to. Pero kinain ko yung sabaw
Babash.
tsaka
Babash niyo po siya.
tsaka yung noodles. Sarap. Kinain ko naman yung ibang taba. Hindi naman lahat. Hindi naman,
Kuha na tayo take off.
gusto ko pang humaba yung buhay ko, no?
Pakikancel na lang.
We're gonna try the Big Mouth Roll. This is my favorite. Also in China, Mama. Sure na. Very same. Same taste of China, Mama. Just put something inside. Like, maybe this spicy. Try again, one more.
Oh. Thank you. Thank you.
Ay, oh, thank you.
My favorite wontons in chili oil. Then some rice.
Ano talaga doon sa China, Mama? Bawang store nila, may specialty.
Actually.
Diba? Hindi nila nililipat yung mga ano. Parang dun sa spring yung duck. Diba?
Right.
We're gonna try this. Ano to, love?
Pan fried bun.
Okay, we're gonna try the pan fried bun. This is their best seller. There's soup inside. Ayan. Grabe. It's so messy. It's like xiaolong bao.
Hindi, ito. Yan mo na
It's like xiaolong bao. There's a soup inside. Be careful, it's hot.
Ito yung lasa ng kabataan.
We're gonna try this Sichuan dumplings. Garlic Sichuan dumplings.
Wonton.
Sichuan. Ano ba?
Wonton.
Ano? Wonton ano?
Which
one?
And then,
Wonton.
Sichuan wonton. This is Sichuan wonton. Let's try. Uy! Ang sarap!
I know.
It's good. A little bit garlic. A little bit spicy.
Ang ito. A little crazy.
Start. Rice is like.